Hi, this is Alan from Hyperstream. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a short overview of the features in Google Analytics. So once you've logged into your account, you get this dashboard view, and you can see over a period of time how many visitors have come to your website on particular days, and you can drag your mouse over this graph and see the details. There's so many things in Google Analytics, it's very difficult to cover it all in one short video, but I'll try my best. So we can go on this chart, we can click on, excuse me, we can see by hour, by day, by week, and by month. The day view is probably the most useful. Another feature thing you can do is quite handy on Google Analytics, because by default it only gives you, I think, like a month's worth of traffic to view. You can change this using this drop down here. So you change the date range. So let's have a look on this site. We can go back maybe quite a few months and then see if there's been any significant changes. Apply that, and then we can get a much wider graph. The longer you can track, the better, because then you can even see by year, which is quite handy if you might see certain trends in a year which you could pick out. So in this view we can see how many visits we've had within this time period. So it says visits, the unique visitors, which are unique visitors, exactly what it says. How many page views there's been, page visits, the average time on the website, the bounce rate, and the new visits, percentage of new visitors. And here we have a nice pie chart showing how many new visitors there have been and how many of those people actually are returning visitors. So it's quite handy to know that nearly 30% of the visitors on this website are returning visitors, so they're loyal customers returning. Scrolling further down, we've got demographics and we've got languages, so we can see the number of people with the US language, English language, and the number of people with the British language set as default. One feature I like to look at quite often on Google Analytics is the demographics feature, and you get this nice lovely map where you can just roll over and see how many people are coming from where. So here we can see we've had 6,000 visits from there, we've had 145 visits from Canada. You can give you this nice colour coded map which you can look on. And again, just scrolling down, you can see in order of visits, the most popular countries. Since this is a UK-based site, minibijou.co.uk, it's a UK site, so they get a lot more traffic from the UK. But they sell internationally as well, so they sell all overseas, so they can see how many customers are coming, how many visits they get. And then see if that corresponds to the amount of sales they do. Another handy, well, quite common feature people use on Google Analytics, which I use, is the traffic sources button. So when we go into traffic sources, we can see where people are coming from, which is quite handy. So not just their country, we can see what keywords people have typed into the search engines to find the website. So we can see here we've had these are the keywords that have been used. So minibijou is the website in question, so people have been typing in minibijou and finding that. Another one here is second-hand dolls houses. Now this is really interesting because in terms of SEO, one really good technique is to see what is already being successful. So what is the website already ranking for? And then see if you can improve upon that. So let's have a look at this one here, secondhand dolls houses. Now if I copy this and paste that into Google, we can see that here we have Mini Bijou is number 3 in the listing, which is pretty good for that. But so there could be some improvement opportunity there to make on this page to increase the likelihood of moving up a couple of positions. If you're ranking on page 1, that's really good. Usually you'll start seeing results in Google Analytics once you're on page 1 or 2, and then you can start working on those phrases a bit more. And that's generally a good strategy for any search engine optimization you're doing on your website. So that's all I'm going to go into for now. If anyone's interested in learning more about Google Analytics, I'm happy to do more videos about this if it's popular. But that's the basics really. So I hope that's given you some insight in how you can use Google Analytics to track how many visitors you've got coming to your website, and how you can use the data within Google Analytics to improve your search engine optimization. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, share it on Facebook and retweet it. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time.